Today it's a fine day for taking the Harley out, so let's see if we can get it started this morning. Before I suit up and get all excited, let's see if we can get this beast started this morning. First, just check if she turns over. I haven't ridden her for about, what is it? Most likely about 3 weeks, 4 weeks. It's a shame. Perfect morning today. Really awesome. It's cold, probably I guess about 10-12 degrees. Prediction for the day is up to 18 degrees Celsius. If you made it this far, thank you for watching. Please do like this video and subscribe for more videos. Till next time.